Good afternoon. Right, today we're going to do 1-point perspective. I'm just going to briefly go over the general theory of it all, and then we're going to put something into place. You need to master this, and it will come easier as you come to do more and more of it. And it may remember you when you're at school, I don't know, sometimes they taught you perspective, sometimes they didn't. But this is the theory of it. So, briefly then, what we need is an horizon line, or you could call it the eye level, because that actually gives you a description of what you're actually looking at, or what you're using. So that is, I'm going to call it the eye level, okay? I'm trying to make this a bit bigger than what it was. I'm trying to make it over there. Right, so, on this eye level then, and this is eye level, exactly what it says on the tin. If you're standing up, your eye level will be different than if you're sitting down. Okay? We'll take this. If you start a drawing, a technical drawing of a street or a house, you must remain either seated, sitting down, to get an accurate recording of that building. Okay? Just one tip. Right, so we've got an eye level then. What I'm going to put now is I'm going to put a little dot, is a vanishing point. Right? Everything vanishes off to a vanishing point, and this is what makes it correct. When you're looking at a picture, you think, oh, why is that eye looking funny, or why is it not sitting right? Well, it's probably because the converging lines that we're going to put in now aren't correct. Okay? We'll do some more of this, and I will go over it again, but you can watch this video over and over again. There's about 4 in this series of perspective. 1 point is 2 points, and then I'm going to at some point show you how to take a photograph and find out where the eye line is of the person that took the photograph, and the vanishing point, so that basically when you come to do the painting, you can recreate the same technical information on your painting. So we'll show you how to do that later today. But for now, we're going to do 1-point perspective. So, simple lesson. One line is your eye level. Then you've got a vanishing point where everything vanishes off to. And then I've done a couple of converging lines, which for me, at the moment, they are the top and the bottom of a house. Yep, top and bottom of a house. I'll just move it that way a little bit. Right, so I'm going to stop it around there, and then I'm going to stop it around there. Make sure these upright, the vertical lines are absolutely vertical, because they'll make your house look like it's falling over. And then parallel to the eye line, eye level, I'm going to put the top or the ends of the house in. Okay, and I'm just going to block that off so you can see that's the end of the house. Right, the pitch of a roof is entirely up to you. It can be up here or it can be down here. I'm just going to do one, just a random one. This is my choice. Take the centre mark for the centre of the pitch, so it's not over to one side or whatever. Take that and do a line just straight the way up. This is just to get the pitch. Okay, so then just join anywhere on that line. This is at your discretion, so this is not a technical drawing as such, this little bit. This is just your preference. Right, then we'll need a converging line from the vanishing point, which is over here, up to that apex there of the building. It doesn't move. Just lightly do another technical line down there. When I say technical line, what I mean is these are the workings of the drawing, so that they're accurate. Okay, technical side of it. Now, because you chose to do that pitch on the roof, you need to parallel that to the top of the end of the building there. Go up to the top one, and then you get the correct pitch of the roof. So we've got a box, which is all we're doing really, and we could just do boxes. I just you know, you're all adults, you all know what a box looks like, so we're just moving on to buildings, okay? Now I want the tops and the bottoms of the windows. So, I mean, you've got guttering and all sorts, which will follow the same rules as this, but I'm just keeping it simple for now. We want the top and the bottom of those windows, following the same rule. Look, converging lines, keep them light. You need to rub these out within this drawing anyway. And I just want the top of the door, top of, and the bottom of the windows in the floor. So as you get to it, you don't bother with the converging lines, but you just put the top and the bottom of the windows in. Right, you can stop the windows then wherever you like. Usually they're the same in the bottom, unless you get little rickety houses that the windows are all higgledy-piggledy. You want a door in there somewhere. So all these lines, remember, they're vertical. And it's simple as that. Okay, as simple as that. Your chimney pot will be the same. So if you want a chimney pot on there, let's do it equal, and then zip from the vanishing point all the way up to wherever you want the flower, the chimney pot to end, and then we will square that off for this particular drawing. Okay.